it's a bit wet. Good evening, how you doing?
How are you doing? Nice to see you again.
Good to see you, alright. Hello, hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Sorry.
Hello mate, you alright?
Yep, it's an opening act.
Yeah. Hello Roberto.
Hello again.
Hello
Hi,
mate.
you alright?
How you doing?
I'm alright.
Are you on? I'm guessing you're on before.
Yeah, I've done first set. I'm finished at around 9:15. I'm on drums.
I'm good to go now. Yeah. We play about once every month, 6 weeks or so.
Yeah, we do. I've got a band over that I do it with. Like,
I think I've seen you before actually.
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah.
I think I've seen you before.
I don't mind that drum kit. It's quite good when you've got your ears in that. It sounds great.
But it's better than carting all your stuff inside here, isn't it?
Oh yeah, no, for sure.
Go take the win, haven't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Not been here on New Year's before, so
No, me neither.
there it goes.
Yeah, it's a bit more for you guys.
Yeah, fingers crossed, mate. Fingers crossed.
Let me explain why that's funny.
It's a good start.
Have you got distortion on? We are the band Party Platter.
Feliz Navidad.
Band admin counting the cash on a bin.
Also create bespoke pieces on a quick turnaround. Drop by and see Clay.
Just shove them all on that tray. Thank you, sorry.
Alright, excuse me, can I just get past you? Thank you very much. Cheers. Go on. Yeah, all good. Just sign at the bottom, is that it?
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you very much, Dad. Cheers. Hello, kind sir. Would you like your money?
I would love my money.
Cool.
Oh, sexual, thank you.
A gift.
Thank you so much.
Well played.
Much appreciated.
You have earned it.
Thank you.
Then we can...
Sorry, I just coughed on you, bro. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. It just...
Sharing, scaring. Rob, there's a special present for you on your keyboard.
Is there?
Yeah.
I wonder what it could be.
Hey. Where's it gone?
New. What?
Oh, where's it got? It's disappeared.
Hey, I don't know.
Oh no. Hello Alan, Happy New Year mate.
Happy New Year. All the best.
You had a good night?
Oh, did excellent.
Great stuff.
Happy New Year.
Awesome, nice one. Glad to hear it. See you in a bit Alan. See you later.
You can't take drums over.
I am.
They're not yours.
You helping me. Your car's outside, come on. Alright mate.
An excellent set as always.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, yeah. You had a good night?
Absolutely. It's been lovely. They were sound.
Yeah.
Everyone vibed.
Oh,
Very
I'm
nice.
starving, I need food though.
That is a shout. That is a shout.
Exactly.
Food, oh my god.
Yeah, you too, see you in a bit.
Thank you.
Oh, good to see you as always, mate.
Thank you.
Yeah. Nice
See you
one.
next time. I don't know when.
I don't know when.
You're back. Definitely you'll be coming.
We'll be back. We'll be back. Good to see you though, mate.
Yeah,
Happy New
appreciate
Year.
a lot. Yeah, everyone was happy.
Good stuff. That's what we want, innit? Hello.
Hello.
How you doing? You okay?
Thank you so much.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I'm a bit moist. Now then, got a good night?
Lovely night.
Good stuff.
Band were pretty good.
Alright, aren't they?
Yeah.
The Queen one went down really well, I think. Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah.
I'm going to do my round and it was lovely to see you. Yeah, Happy New Year, yeah. Cool. See you in a bit. Right, I'm going to skedaddle, guys.
Bro, well done.
Right.
Killed it today.
Right, Rob, I'm going off, bud. Yeah, Happy New Year, bud. See you soon. Yeah, take care. Hey, Tom. See you in a bit, mate.
Bro, well played.
Yeah, well played, buddy.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I'll see you when I see you.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah? Take care, man. Happy New Year. Take care, mate.
Oh, absolutely.
See you later. See you later. Thank you. See you later, guys. Happy New Year. See you in a bit. Take care. Happy New Year.
And you. Happy New Year,
Nice,
mate.
so have a good one, pal. See you next. Bloody weather.
Hello.
You put some banging tune on there. No, turn it.
Alright, yeah.
I'll go sing along. No, seriously.
Yeah, okay, yeah, good plan, yeah.